What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got this G-Fans 164 miniature. This is a nice little parking space diorama. So we're just going to go ahead and get this thing unboxed, see what's inside. There we go. So, oh yeah, that's looking good. Let's see how big it is. So here are some different options that you can get. Some different layouts here. You can see the different options. Nice little backdrops there. But it's pretty straightforward for install. Put everything together. It does have lights, which is pretty nice. Alright, so here is my backdrop. It looks like good quality already, man. That looks good. This is gonna be nice. There's my little toolkit there. Eat, sleep, JDM. I like it already. Alright, so go ahead and slide this out here. Alright, so also inside, here is our power for the light. Here is the light strip that you install. And here's the rest of everything else here. Alright, and the last piece here, here's the base. Everything is nicely packaged. Oh, there we go. So we got top and bottom right here. Nice, okay. So here are all the pieces. Instructions right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the bottom and turn it facing to the back here. This piece there. Then we're going to take our back, and you can tell which way this goes. This is going to go facing towards the back, the little bump out. This one will face this way, so it'll be like this. But in essence, all we're going to do is put it in the right setup here. So you just slide that in like so. And then we're going to slide this in like so. Everything's aligned nicely. And we're just going to drop this in here into the little openings. Alright, you can see how it's coming together. Okay, now for the top. Tells you where to put the LED. So this will be on top like this. Like so. So I'm going to make sure my LED is going out this direction here. That's the way I want it to be. I guess you can do whichever side works for you, but I'm going to have it going out to my right side here. So there's an adhesive on this. I believe that we're going to want to peel. Alright, so once we get that peeled off there, once you get to the edge here, I guess, yep, just pull it. Alright, so here's our top piece here. So we're going to go towards the right in this install here. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and put my LED over the lettering here. So this is very easy to put together. Can't really mess it up. Press that down. So we've got our LEDs installed there. And then we're going to take this piece, and it actually goes right here. So I was mistaken. There it is. So that goes right there. Now we take this piece and we go ahead and we drop it in on top here. Yeah, so basically you're going to have your wire coming out the side right there like that in the little cutout. And then all we're going to do is just press this down in place. All right. So once everything is pressed in together, this is what it'll look like from the back. I guess if you wanted to, you could actually glue the whole thing together so that it's permanently set. So now with that in place, we're going to grab our power wire here. All right, so as you see here, there's two sets of wires. This is actually set up so you can have multiple stacks on top, which is pretty cool. So we're only going to need this wire here. Make sure you match your colors to the right colors. So black to black, red to red. Slide it in. Click it. It's good to go. Then you've got your power button here. And the whole setup is complete. So we're going to go ahead, plug this into some power, and see how this thing looks. All right, so we're powered up, and here is the finished product. Alright folks, so it's a wrap for this video. So you see how nice this little diorama is and the different options you can get. It turned out to be a pretty easy, very easy setup. Lights off, lights on. So look at that nice, beautiful display for your little model cars. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.